We set up CXEX 4 years ago because what we saw in contact centers was a real need to measure and monitor 100% of phone calls. And the current solutions using transcription and queries have a lot of false positives and are typically not adopted within contact centers at scale due to the cost, the ongoing maintenance, and the transformation effort required within the call centers. Rob and I chose a different approach. We wanted AI at its core 4 or 5 years ago when we started this journey. AI was used in many other industries, but rarely was used in contact centers. There's a huge amount of information generated from the phone calls. We process the calls through a speech-to-text engine, an emotion engine, and we elicit from the phone calls all the interaction analytics, pace of talking, over talking, silence, etc. These are really key measures within a conversation that when you're able to understand the phone call and understand what are the use cases and behaviors being shown on those phone calls, you're able to build an AI model through tagging. And then you're able to solve for complex human behaviors. What we see when we're speaking to clients is they want us to search for in conversations, where were my agents not empathetic? Where were they not professional? Where were they not getting the issue resolved for customers? We've taken those complex use cases and approached the whole thing of speech analytics in a different way to traditional businesses. After 4 or 5 years, we got these 40 to 50 listeners, AI models that we run across every single phone call, hundreds of thousands a day, and we're able to, at the call level, understand exactly what is going on within a particular phone call, but also in the aggregate from a trending perspective, which agent, which cues, which call reasons, which products are causing expressions of dissatisfaction or complaint risk, which agents are not showing empathy and why. What we've done is we've invested heavily in the AI, not only to build the models, but also to understand what's called explainability. Because at the end of the day, if we send a call to a claims handler or to a fraud investigator or to a QA agent or a team leader, and the AI has said this agent is not empathetic or there's a high risk of fraud on this call, the person receiving it wants to be able to review that call very quickly, understand why the AI model scored it as that, and then take their corrective actions. And what we're really doing is we're taking 100% of calls, distilling them right down to the key elements that need to be managed in a contact center, and really creating efficiencies from a customer experience and an employee experience perspective.